Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you what you'll receive in your box and explain its purpose. Created for screening and diagnostic audiometry, the Innova offers several unique configurations. All configurations can be customized based on your needs, with several add-ons available. This means every user will receive a device specific for their needs. All configurations, however, will include the following equipment: an Innova unit. All units will look the same regardless of the configuration you've chosen. An audiometric headset. The default air conduction headset is a DD45 unless you've specified otherwise. A standard patient response switch. A power supply with country adapters. This consists of a universal block with interchangeable international power adapters and a USB-C cable. A custom carry case and a Getting Started flyer, which includes information on how to download the user manual and software for your device. We also recommend that you keep your box and packaging for future calibration and service. Optional accessories which are available on purchase include Amplivox audio cups, additional audiometric headsets, sound room microphone, wireless Bluetooth printer, and booth leads. For more information about the Innova and other Amplivox solutions, please visit our website.